All right, guys. So this is our first live on Twitter, as well as even first live on. Sorry, just first live on Twitter. So let's see what we can find here. Diamonds and pearls. What the? With enough money, I could rule the world. Why is it daily not marked out too? Give me that daily. Yeah, market's heading all the way down to that next support level. Let's see what it does at this next support level here, at this fib level here. We caught a nice short last night. You guys can see right here. Decent swing from last night all the way down to here. But we need it again. We need another move. But honestly, market is just sold off super hard. You can see it bounced here, rejected here, sold off. Low break and retest here. And now we're heading on down to this next support level. So we're going to see where we go to this next support level here. Or how we react. Let's see how we react at this next level here. Let's check out gold for the moment. Nice rejection on gold. But anyways, guys, let's see how much money we can make today. Let's see what we can even do today. What the level I'm watching is very simply this, just very simply the bottom of this Fibonacci retracement level. Are we gonna bounce here at this level here? I'm not sure, but let's see what we're gonna do with what we can get. Again, we've been bullish since this candle, since this whole general area right here. I mean, this nice strong bullish candle, small little light pullback to another pump, to a big rocket, to again try to hold it, to a big sell-off. So here we are selling off again. And just in general, let's see what we can even do, guys, today. So let's make some money. Appreciate you guys even being in here. Not sure where you guys are from, whether it's from Twitter or YouTube, but we're live for our first time on Twitter, guys. For the first time ever. Let's see what we can listen to here. One moment. Wait, let's make some money, guys. It's Friday. It's time to end it with a bang. Let me figure out a song. Let me play like a morning song. Let me wake up to this morning song right here. This is the type of song we gotta listen to. There we go. Let's have a great day, guys. I hope you guys have an awesome ass day. Plus, we're recording for the vlog too as well, guys. So just know, if you say something in today's chat right here, I'm gonna add you into the vlog. I like to make it a little interactive like that. If you say something, you're gonna get added to the vlog. So just know that. But I hope you guys have a great ass morning, and let's have a great ass day, guys. Trading can be a little bit difficult, so let's be patient. Let's be careful. Let's have a precision entry. Let's make sure we get precision entries and not force random trades. Now, if you're new here, or if you never saw me trade live, I'm not somebody who takes 1,000 trades within minutes. I wait specifically for specific candles to form, and I wait for my entry. I'm a break and retest type trader, or even a support bounce type trader. I enjoy taking bounce trade, rejection trades, very simple in and out, quick in and out trade. Not quick in and out, sorry. Very simple candlestick, you know, just type trades. You can see the rejection here, caught a nice little short down to the downside, and that's the kind of style I like to trade. I like to just catch levels from one side to the other. Very simple. I'm not out here trading indicators. I'm not saying you gotta wait for this divergence. I trade very simple. But how have you guys been liking the Lucid and TradeSea combo? Has been solid, guys. I paid for the Trading View Premium just to have fast candles, and it wasn't even fast enough. I need something a little bit faster. So TradeSea has been treating us nicely. I'm not even gonna lie. But how have you guys been liking TradeSea, and how has TradeSea been treating you guys? So far, it's been nice. I even took payout 2 this week. And it's smooth, guys. They pay fast. Lucid literally pays so fast. Probably the fastest I've ever seen a prop firm pay. Literally 30 minutes. I think it was like 5:10, and then at 5:41 they sent it. Hit my bank account. I can't even see who's in here from YouTube to Twitter, but it just says wants to rule the world. Just ping-ponging. How did Hoochie Hoochie come on? I saw I played something else. I make them all day. Fly like papers, get high like planes. Alright, guys. So market's about to open in literally 4 minutes. I wish. Oh, so fucking. Alright, guys. So we're about to be. What? Market's about to open in literally 4 minutes, and we are live on Twitter and even YouTube, guys. We're trying to get active. Trying to make it fun, listen to music. So again, it's Friday. We've been live for 2 weeks straight, and so far straight killing it, having fun, guys. We did a nice swing trade last night, so we're up 174 for now. Had a loss, so it recovered me just enough to be profitable on the day. But guys, let's see what this market can even give us. Let's see if it's going to be a bounce trade here. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Let's see what we can get. All I want to do is pirate stones and bones. No one in the corner has swagger like us. UPS trucks. No one in the corner has swagger like us. Just pumping that gas and take your money. What am I thinking? Guys, we finna get freaky on the lives, bro. We finna get freaky on the lives. Hold on, we finna get freaky. We finna get sticky. We finna get icky. I wanna be him. I wanna free him. That I need ya. Hey, thank you. I want you to holla when you want me to stop. Oh. Nobody, baby. Oh, let me chill. We're on the market. Market's live. What am I doing, bro? This is why my streams are fire, bro. Look, we out here listening to music, getting it cracking. Might get the fucking, who knows. And we finna trade. Who else treats you like this on the live? Man, they all play that little house music. I love house music, but they all play that little house music, and here I am. Nobody made me. Fucking counterfeit. What, Dinky? What, Dinky? What, Dinky? Of course she made it. We are always searching for the thrill of it. Addicted to champagne. So guys, this is our beautiful setup here. Every single day, every single morning, we trade live. And guys, not only on YouTube are we live, but we're also live on Twitter for the first time. So that makes it a little bit fun experience. First live on Twitter. Let's see how Twitter goes. Usually Twitter got some toxic ass people. And I'm talking about they be toxic. So let's see how we can maneuver through them. Let's see how we can handle them. Let's see how we can just take all the heat. And anyways, guys, I'm excited. Because we got a new setup on our live. And what I mean by that is, look, you can see we got like a little text chat box up top. Got a little viewer count up top. Nobody's in again. And we got me. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty dope. And guys, we already made our money last night. We're literally about to pass this account if we make another, I don't know, 150, 200, something like that. So let's get it. Addicted to champagne. Fuck the world, we bought up. Bitches, I Taylor gained that. Can I take a dab on live? I'm about to. I guess we're gonna find out, right? Addicted to champagne. This is DJ Easy Dick. With a fat dick. So guys, we're waiting to the next support level, which we're almost here actually. We're about to tap it here soon. Back. Why'd you lick my balls? Why'd you have to lick my balls? So guys, remember, we're waiting for this level to get tapped here to see what we do. Don't want to answer in too early, but man, I want to slap along here at this level. You can't fuck that day, baby. Guys, we play bops. We listen to music while we chatting and trading. I just need gang in here with me. I never be broke. Indo to smoke. That bitches ain't shit to me. I give a fuck. Guys, come on, we're waiting patiently. We're waiting patiently to hit this level. Come on, hit this level here. Trick ass MES. Hit this level. Hoe ass MES. Hit this level. Guess who's back in the motherfucking house with a fat dick in your motherfucking mouth? Guys, we're gonna listen to some motherfucking bops. If you are not cultured enough with the OG music, you are finna get cultured with the OG music. This ain't none of that hippity scoppity whippity boppity. This is that she might be with him, but she thinking about me. If you ain't heard this song, go listen to some Soul Plane or something. She gon' get hers before mine. Sensual seduction. Sensual seduction. We don't go out to eat. It's laying sheets. All right, guys. When I start getting a little too crazy, to mellow down, I take a little Penske. No, I'm just kidding. This is my first hit right now. I need a little dabby wab. She gon' get hers before I. Not gon' rise to oh. Doggy dog is a freak. 7 days out the week. Sensual seduction. You guys ever having an account somewhere or a subscription somewhere and you don't even know who's paying for it, where it's coming from? Bro, I have 2 subscriptions. I don't even know what the fuck, how I'm paying. How do I even have? How do I have an Amazon Prime account? I don't even see in my bank account statements I'm paying for an Amazon Prime account. And then, what was it? I forgot the second one. But that's the main one. What the fuck is that? I don't even pay for Amazon Prime, but somehow I have access to it, and my bank statements don't show I pay for it. What would you guys do? I found out what the second one is. The second one is I pay for an Xbox Pass, whatever, to play online here and there. Bro, it don't even come out of my bank account. Who's paying for that? Anyways, let's make some bread today. Ooh, gee. Ain't nothing but a gangster party. Good morning, JJ, brother. We is live on YouTube, live on Twitter. Appreciate you even joining here, brother. It says 8 people are live with me on Twitter. Could be a lie. Either way, guys, we is in here. And what we are watching, very simply again, as always, trying to just keep it transparent. Whoa. What happened there? Looking for a bounce here at this small bottom of this fib level right here. Now, it better not be taken off without me. As you can see on the 5 minutes over here, I'm trying to look for a bounce here. Obviously, it could be a fallen knife, but that's my favorite. Market already sold off super hard. But anyways, this is what we're looking for. We're going to watch at this level here, see what it does. So far, you can see a nice little base built, curved up, and then bow. And then here they are just testing that little bottom of that little base. So anyways, I just realized my shit's flopped. Because on my screen here, it's... But on here, it's flipped. Anyways, let's continue on. Let's make some bread. Let's make some money. What's going on, Stinky? Motherfucking G's. Sickities. Sickities. Have some help. Get ready these. Turn out, bitch. S class, G class, a lot of class. What are you guys watching out here today? What is going on and how are we even doing, guys? Looks like, let's go ahead and mark off our meta short. Let me go ahead and pop up the stocks too. Lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit. I'm the other shit. I'm just gonna call out New York. It's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit. All that other shit. It's too late for all that. Where's my saved one? I'm gonna make it easy. Anyway, this is what I like to do to make it a little simple, to remind myself that this is basically New York City session market open. See what it does. Coin, previous day low reclaim, and meta shorts. Let's check out coin here. Let's go ahead and pop up coin first on our big screen. Still on the 15-minute though, because I like to confirm what's happening. I could tell. Like Chappelle. Nell. Bell. Hide some help. Get rid of these. That's a nice little pullback there. Oh yeah, that's a nasty drop. On the higher time frames. But then you mentioned meta shorts. It's too late for all that. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I had to take a shit. But we got a couple cool things added to our arsenal if we gotta go take a poop. I don't know, meta not bad. It's just a little scary taking a short around here. Every time we hit this general area, it tends to bounce. Not wrong, nothing wrong with it. It definitely could get wrecked. But every time we hit this general area, it bounce. I wouldn't even take a long here either. It's just every time we hit this area, we typically bounce. Let's see what it does here. Meta. Sick of these wiggers. Oh dang, look at that. It just tapped that fib. It tapped the fib. It hit it. Yeah. All right, guys, we're literally right on that fib. That's very interesting. That's something I'm watching for. So let's keep it close. Let's keep it close.
Maybe in this song, you shouldn't start by saying.
Failed VWAP Garoon. $5 each. Ooh, hope you guys heard that one. Drop a 50 bag. Hold on. Oh, this cat is snoring. I'm like, who is that? What's that noise? Which one you in? You in coin? This is the 1 hour right here and the 4 hour on it. Oh, meta. Let me go ahead and look at meta here. One moment. Let me go ahead and just pick a song. I got something chill like this. Just no music, straight beats. I'm watching myself on Twitter and it is so delayed. I done showed what I was showing like feels like 10 minutes ago. No, not really, but anyways, market literally tapped that level that I needed to. Let's see what it does with this level here. I think it's gonna bounce, but I hate saying I think because you can't say you think when you're trading. But it did hit this bottom of this fib level. Let's just see the reaction that it gives us. Let's see what it wants to do. All right, let's see what it's finna do here. Let's see what market's finna do here. Literally, the market's at the bottom of a Fibonacci retracement. I'm pretty sure SPY's doing literally the same thing if I pop it up, because basically I'm watching the same thing. Yep, it's literally doing the same thing. So SPY's at the SPY, the SP 500 is very important. This is how my brain thinks. Again, this is just how I base my trades, or just in general. Spot technical analysis, retechnical analysis. But you can see Market is coming down to this area where it most previously had a support area, which is just the bottom of Fibonacci retracement. Now, one thing is it actually has a head and shoulders here. I didn't even catch that. Now, again, we spotted a head and shoulders yesterday. Again, they're not always going to hit. They're not guaranteed hitters, but it's just something a little bit interesting to watch for and see where the markets are going. So the market already, obviously we sold off. And if it does break below this support level with its head and shoulders in motion, man, that'll be a fat drop. But let's see what it can do here. I would love for a nice little 5-minute bounce or some solid to catch. Plus market, let's see what the market does. Let's see what the market movers do. And you can't see none of that if you stuck on the 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 15 minutes. That can, this type of thing that I just spotted out can only be seen on the higher time frame. So this bounce level here, people were like, why are we bouncing? Well, it could be a double bottom bounce. It could be a bounce at the most previous support. It could just higher time frame it. Higher time frame it. Look at the higher time frame. Where are we heading? Now I caught a nasty, nasty short here. Let's see if I can pop it up. Wow. I caught shorts from the top here down to the downside. It was a wild, wild drop. Does it even show here? Why does it not show here? Doesn't show here on this screen. She made the titties move. Who make them titties move like that? That's wild. Anyways, let's continue watching. Let's see what we can do here at this level. And again, let's just read candles. What is candles telling us? Let's actually analyze the first. Let's actually read some candlesticks here. I'm on a 2 minute though, so this is gonna be. Let's see what the 5 minutes looking a little different. Okay, we'll go to 5 minutes later, but you could very simply see market did push a little bit. Of course, I mean it's a little bit of a curve here. Tap this general area of resistance, and you will bow a long way to the upside. Just straight sellers take control again. Buyers try to take control. Bow to sold it off. It took control, and then we broke down below this most previous, just the most previous low, like the most previous low. Then you can see market kind of curl back up, tap the area, reject. Buyers come up, reject. Buyers come up, reject. Again, look how many rejections are happening. Here we are again, though, with the massive buy candle trying to take control. Big buys just to the general area. But again, look at this next candle. Big sells. So we just sit patiently. We read every candlestick. We are candlestick readers. I might as well just call myself the candlestick king, to be honest. I don't think anybody really tries to read candles online, honestly. I don't think anybody's really like, let's read some candles. I don't think so. I think everybody's just like, fair value gap, liquidity sweep to this inversion of this gap. Take the low of day of yesterday's swing high low, mix it with this Asia session over here with the London brothers over here, and you'll get yourself a nice bullish SMT. But then there's me. It's just, all right, we broke the low, previous low. Give me a retest. I can explain my strategy in like five words. Look at that 5 minutes here. I'm watching. I'm not a predictor. I'm not trying to predict what's going to happen, but I'm just watching and reading the candlesticks. Let's see what we're going to do here. I like to say I'm not a predictor because I can't predict what's going to happen. And I don't want to be like, we're just reactors. We got our level set for the downside. We got our level set for the upside. Let's see what the market gives us. Let's see who takes control so that we can find the trade that is in our favor. think that's how my mentors told me. They were like, you're not a predictor, you are a reactor. You gotta wait for the market to give you a confirmation. You can't say market's gonna be bullish, it's gonna be bearish. You can just set your levels both sides, and you gotta wait for the market to give you the reaction. Are buyers in control? Are sellers in control today? Who's in control? And so, anyways, that's what we're doing here today. We're gonna see. We're just waiting. Who's in control? Who's gonna take this level here? You know, right at this level here, who's gonna take that control? Obviously, if we go in a higher time frame, long wicks to upside, that shit looks mad cooked. So let's see what we do at this last little level. Yo, what's good, brother? You're also on Twitter too, man. It says 8 people are in here with me on Twitter. It says 8 people are with us on Twitter. Let me check the Twitter chat. I don't see no Twitter chats though. But what is going on, Golden Wolf, brother, man? I have to record this. I got to post this online. You guys are both in here, man. What is going on, brothers? Let me change the music, make sure it's not bad. Let me go. Nah, you're good, brother. It says 8 people were with us on Twitter. That's what it says. I'm also in there, so I'm one of the 8. But anyways, let me record you guys for this moment today. Yo, shout out to Wolf. Shout out JJ. Both in here again as well, guys. And it's Friday anyway. So we're out here live trading again. Trying to see what the market's giving us. And again, like I said earlier, what level are we waiting for? We're waiting for market to tap this bottom of this Fibonacci retracement. And then we're going to see what the market gives us. We're going to see what it does. We're going to see whether it's going to create a hammer candle. It's going to create some bullish engulf. We don't know. We're just going to see. We're going to wait for the market to show us the confirmation first. And then we're actually going to enter a trade based off the candlesticks. Now, I would hate to take a trade here and try to predict what will happen, because the moment it dips down, wicks me out, wicks up, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got to wait. We got to wait. We got to have confirmation. We got to wait for actual candles to break either below or above. So anyways, guys, that's what we're waiting for, and I just wanted to post that real quick here for the YouTube chat. What is going on, Wolf? Wolf freaking joined the Twitter chat. I'm about to add him here, guys. Yo, it's been real. What is going on, brother Wolf? Wolf is out here on. Let's go. I do see it, actually. That's pretty dope, man. Thank you for checking that out, actually. You don't want to know why? Because I was trying to figure out how it works, and you just helped me out, bro. So I appreciate you, Wolf, brother. Seriously. I appreciate you, Wolf, because I was curious on how it would have looked if somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just helped me out, bro. Just know that. You just helped me out, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, brother. So I really appreciate you. Really appreciate you. All right, we got one last minute. One last minute for this 5-minute candle to close, and look at that. That thing is breaking. It's trying to break down, but look at it. One last minute, guys. 45 seconds. Let's see what this candle does here. Yo, I love that, Wolf. I'm trying to have the chat here. I'm not sure why the chat's not popping up your guys' text. It should be popping up your guys' text here. Yo, appreciate you, bro. Seriously, you have no idea, man. I was actually, that showed me a lot. That definitely did show me a lot, bro. It helps. Look at that 5-minute recovery. Wow, look at that candle, guys. Look, this is why we wait patiently. Look, this is why we wait patiently. I know. People want to hop in things. They see something potentially happening. We got to wait patiently. Look, you don't want to get wicked out. You don't want to get wicked out. You don't want to try to take a short because it looks bearish. But then we're right here at the bottom of the support on a higher time frame, and you get wrecked. We got to wait. We got to wait. Look at that push. See what I'm saying? This is why we go live together, so we can read the market together, show you exactly why I don't take, pretty much just why and how we take these trades, so you guys can see. Confirmation, reading candlesticks. Yes, it looks bearish, but we gotta wait for confirmation because we don't know. We don't know who's gonna take control. Is it buyers? Is it sellers? We don't know. We are not predictors. We are reactors. We wait patiently for market to give us a reading, basically candlesticks. And you can see the 4-hour even sold off majorly. I mean, just reading candlesticks here, I mean, big buys, sell off here to a nice recovery, to a big breakout, to big buy again. And then look at this is the rejection. Look at it's not even holding this level. Big sellers, buyers ultimately do a little retest here. Guys, we caught a nasty short to the downside here. A nasty short to the downside here. And look, here we are at the bottom of the support. So like to take a short again, you're basically saying the candle will have another red candle here on the 4 hour, which I'm not saying can't happen, but we already sold off pretty hard. So ideally, we're at a support level. Let's watch for a bounce. Let's try to see if there's going to be a bounce. And you can kind of see there is one forming. It already did the hammer there. And so let's just see what this 5 minutes can do. If the 5 minutes creates a solid bullish candle here, maybe does some retest pullbacks here, holds very strong, then we can probably eye for some longs. But first, we wait patiently, man. This is how I keep my portfolio too, because look, as much as there's so many trades we can take, so many different trade setups, there probably is, we wait specifically for our trades. We need something so precise, so precision. We need it to be perfect, almost perfect. So anyways, this is my little, let's get this though. We're gonna make money together. That's why we here. That's why we live. I'm trying to literally, yesterday we caught a fire ass trade live. It was fun. Yesterday we caught a fire trade live. And I would never advise anybody to take my trades. I'm not the best trader, but past 2 weeks, these lives, I have been printing. I ain't gonna lie. These past 2 weeks live, I have been printing. QQQ long watch. Let's look at it. Let's see what market's doing. What is the market doing? Where's the momentum headed? Let's go look at pop up some QQQ. All right, so Q is right at its yesterday's lows. Let's see what it's finna do here too. That's very interesting. Look at Q's. Q's is right here at this yesterday's lows right here. It's actually even a 38% fib too, which is pretty dope, pretty badass. But it's just right there. See what the market gives us here. Look at the market here. So, New York City session open right here. Big sell-off to a little bounce here, and look at they're trying to take control, but it's still ideally is a lower high situation. Of course, they're trying to bounce here, but let's see what they do. Let's see who really takes that control. Are they really wanting this? I'm watching it too, man. I want to capture a long. I'm essentially looking for longs too. I'm just trying to wait patiently for an actual specific solid entry. No semi-M. Because I've seen this before. I don't want to get in too early and get clouded. I would need this candle to actually probably bow and then really capture some solid, deep base to it. So anyways, let's see what the market doing. And you know what I totally forgot to do? You know what my favorite thing is to do now? Oh, there it is. Look at that. How do I add it to that thing over here? I love this. It's probably like my favorite thing right now. Pull up who that is. All right, it's probably my favorite thing to have on nowadays. I'm not even gonna lie, it's pretty badass. I wish I could just keep this somewhere. I wish I can just keep this somewhere, like post it forever pinned. All that bullshit for the birds. Oh yeah, guys, we bought 3 evaluation accounts. I almost said funded accounts. We bought 3 evaluation accounts. We're literally about to pass this one like super fast. Like we're already basically there. We're about to pass today if we hit a good trade. So I just got a payout this week. I think it was like Monday. Yeah, Monday. And I used probably half, or I think half, towards buying some evaluations. So check it. I bought 2 evaluation accounts. No, sorry, 3 evaluation accounts and a 50K account. Because the reason why I bought a 50K account is because you have more drawdown. So with that payout, I just got more evaluations, and that's essentially what we're working on here, is getting more fundeds. And let's watch this market together. Look at how market held above the support, broke back above, and look at how it's holding this most previous. It's a very small previous high. It's not nothing too crazy, but look how it's holding. Almost calling me. I'm not even gonna lie. That looks pretty solid. Bow, bounce, big breakout to another pullback here. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty solid. That's pretty nice. But I'm already missing my entry. My entry has to be way down here. That's nice. Bring him off. Feeling away. Billion for billion, billion for billion, billion for billion, La Familia wheeling. I go tit for tat. I go tit for tat. You a fat ass rat. I go pocket rat. I don't even know nobody. It's not say a word. It's all a blur. On the earth. Like it's fucking urgent. Billion for billion, billion for billion, billion for billion, La Familia, million. Came back in AMD, them rip. Yes, bro. Them shits is. Market does look pretty good. I'm looking for longs here too. I'm waiting for it. But I just don't want to get caught in this like lower high situation. You can see some stocks are kind of like not really sure. And it's still essentially a higher low. Or sorry, lower high. I said higher low. Lower high. But I'm essentially watching. Look at the volume, bro. I'm not going to lie, though. I almost entered in longs here. But look at that fucking volume. There's no fucking buyers. I mean, that's kind of a good, not necessarily a good sign, but there's like where the fuck they at? Like, buyers just got swept. Are they gonna step in? They have 30 seconds to do something. They have 30 seconds to do something. I don't think in this 30 seconds they're gonna be able to pump. Look at the market. Look at the market. Nvidia, long wick, 15 minutes has 5 minutes though, or 5 minutes. That momentum's slowing. And on the 15-minute time frame, it's the same exact thing that we said earlier, what we don't want to happen to us, which is essentially, look at this, sell off to a little bit of a pullback, to a sell off to a light bounce, to this is a pullback, and then selling off again. You don't want to get caught in that nastiness. But we're still waiting, man. I want these longs, but we gotta wait. We gotta wait for market to actually give us that confirmation. So far, market momentum is. Dang it, guys. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Anyways, guys, it's Friday. What are you guys getting into today? What is going on this beautiful, beautiful, is it a beautiful day? It needs to be a beautiful day. We're gonna make it a beautiful day today. When we catch these longs. And give Spy that long, that schlong. Ah! Guys, please. Please, guys. Let me see if this works. Need prints, please. Give me prints immediately. I'm over the trips to Florida. Order. Let's see what Kelly doing, guys. Kelly just printed. Kelly just posted that he printed. Guys, Kelly just pointed. Can't even speak. Kelly just printed. Let's watch. How much he print? What is he trading? Nas. The Nas dog. Wow. Guys, that motherfucker's insane. He needs to be a printer. I mean, I'm going to have to add him now. Look at this. You guys are going to see it live. We just gave him Mr. Printer role. He's Mr. Printer. Mr. Printer. I'm trying to get the printer role. How do I get the printer role, bro? Bro, how do I get the printer role? How are all these guys having printer roles? I don't have a printer role, bro. Why am I not part of the printers? I'm not a printer. Look at my tags. I'm not a printer. I'm not a printer. Where's my prints? Why am I not a printer? Oh, I'm like, what the heck? Where my Discord at? Guys. What kind of level is he on? Why am I not on that level? I'm just kidding. It's all yokes. It's all yokes. Guys, this is what we're essentially looking for though here. I'm gonna be honest. I know my could be a little boring. I want to draw. Essentially. It's like, I need $100 back. It's like, bro, I agree, bro. I agree. No, like, the other day I got so pissed at myself. The other day I was like right there in, not the other day, it was like last 2 weeks ago. I don't know. All I know is that I was right there, already past, but I was clicking every single button but the fucking exit button. Panicking. Then I blew the account from tilting. Oh, that shit hurted. So let me run it back. So basically, I was literally right there to passing. Just needed $100. I got there. Boom, I was there. All I had to do was close the position to get the pass. Bro, I closed the stop loss. I closed the price target button. Then when I go to hit the close button, back down to break even. Bro, I was sad. I was so sad, bro. I almost shit myself. Fuck fame. Guys, Bulls are taking control. They said, give me this motherfucking shit. Look at, how do I know that? Well, they just told me in the account. They said, bow. Buyer said, bow. Buyer said, nah, give me my motherfucking shit, Bears. Give me my motherfucking shit. They said, give me that. Need it. That's why I like reading candles. They tell you the momentum. Like, it's kind of weird. Like, theoretically, when you see a hammer candle, it should be a bounce, or a green candle right after that should follow. Theoretically, right? Doesn't always happen, but if you catch it with the right volume, that is the momentum. Cop two of them. It's not new to him. It's not cool to him. If she wanna leave, I'ma let her. It's gotta be more than this. All right, guys. Oh. All of a sudden, this song makes you, it's somehow dragging my button to the buy button. You guys ever had that? What's going on, guys? Somehow, this song is influencing my hands to hit the buy button. Side. This is my fighting song, though. Like, when we're in a trade, we're going to play this song. And we might have to put on a headband. When we take a trade, we have to play this song because we're in a fight to survive. Risk is on the line. Money is on the line. So we gotta fight to survive. You guys wouldn't even see that coming. I could be looking over here at my stocks. Wouldn't even know. Knocked out, KO, 2 seconds. Yo, give me the chats on the freaking chat on the screen. JJ said, King Long's watch here. Calls loaded. Yes, I definitely see that, bro, too. Honestly, I'm like a little bit skeptical, but honestly, this right here looks pretty good. I'm thinking it's gonna want it too. I think market wants it. What does QQQ do? I haven't even looked at it in a minute. Ever since we mentioned that it was at yesterday's lows, it's still a little bit here. Got back above. Kumte, kumte, kumte. Don't go. What is it, my kitty? I wonder if you guys can hear my kitty. He wants to jump up on top of the fireplace. He can't. I blocked it. Come here, Stinky. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. Wow. Wow. Look at that. I'm not convinced. I ain't answering. This is what I need on the 15-minute for me to probably be a little. Hold on, let's see if I can create a little horizontal. I need me a little bow. I need me a little bow on the 15 minutes so I can be confirmed that we're breaking this structure. I need a little break of structure on this hoe. Push the edge like birds. Oh, you want to smoke with me first? Kumbaya, 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 kumbaya. Kumbaya, kumbaya. How you guys like my new watch this. Watch this. How you guys like this? Ready? It's kind of gay a little bit at first, but hold on. What you guys think about that? What you guys think about that? It's a little bit sus, I'm not gonna lie. It has a little heart. I don't know how to get rid of the heart. What you guys think about that, though? I think that's kind of fire. A little added addition. Kind of sus. Again, I say that, I must admit. Kind of sus. Got a little heart in there, but it's for the love of the game. It's for the love of the game. Bro, all I know is JJ is printing if he ended up entering those Qs. Let's see what Q is doing, guys. I am just not convinced. But look at this. Look at that pump. Give him the pumps. Give him whatever them people are putting in their BBLs. Give him that pump, please. Give him that BBL pump. Whatever them people are pumping their breasts with, give him that type of pump, please. We need it. All the pumps, bike pumps, breast pumps, BBL pumps. Give me all the pumps. Somebody load their whole boat. Buy all the shares. Let's get this pumping. Sometimes I say the most stupidest, dumbest. Give me a song that I like. I need me a song that I like. Since JJ's printing, we shall play this song. Was looking at AMD shit, still a chance. I was looking at AMD. I got AMD right here, smack middle of my chart, and it does have a chance. I mean, it's trying to break out above this most, you know, whatever you want to call it. I like to call it a little small intraday breakout. A little small intraday breakout. It's just not enough for me. I'm not sure. I mean, I'll let the market take off without me, but man. Don't worry, I'm not in anything yet myself, and I'm missing all the great sauce. Might take $2 shit instead. That's a nice bounce here on the fib here on the 4 hour. Essentially, I'm only thinking it's gonna come up here to like this area right here for a nice sell-off. But we don't know. I might just slap also a rejection there, but either way, I'm watching this. That's obviously a nice break of structure back to the upside. On a 15-minute time frame, you can see a nice sell-off, bounce here, break back above, and now it's about to break. We got 5 minutes for that to close, but they're definitely gonna take that. I probably will take a deep pullback, you know, After this 15-minute candle closes up here, maybe a little pullback into this general area. Intraday higher lows. Yep, that's true, man. That's exactly how my brain thinks too. Intraday higher lows. Intraday. You're right. That is 100% true. Microsoft is right at breakout level. And QQQ, man, is right back above its lows. SPY has some time gone missed. No, I felt that, bro. I missed my trades, bro. I missed my trades. It's HUD. I could probably capture a little bit of a late entry here on a pullback again, but that's probably like 20 minutes from now. But no, I feel that, bro, man. You know what's crazy? We spotted a nice reversal coming too. You know, you was talking about AMD calls. You was talking about QQQ calls. We was talking about the bounce here. Missed that bounce. So I'm not going to chase anything. I'm going to just sit back to myself. Wait for a moment. Push it to the limit. Walk along the razor edge. Open up the limit. All right, so this is the 15-minute here. This is the 5 here. 15 minutes about to close in 2 minutes. And I might just take a dip. I might take a dip pullback. Obviously, we missed our nice solid entry here at the bottom of that fib. But we'll still watch it. And we'll still probably take the dip. Look at me dead in my eyes and I'll let you know that line. All of my shoddy BDs know how to try it. Well, these kitties, they like for me to open up the bag, but it be cold back there. They like to watch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice, JJ. I see your setup right here on the screen over here. 15 minutes about to close here, 45 seconds. Guys, we are eyeing this long. I might take one here now. A little bit late, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna take it. We're only up 170, so we're gonna risk 150. We'll make $25 worst case scenario. Boo-hoo. A little late to the party. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I'm pretty late to the party, bro. Honestly, the real entry was really down here, but that's super hindsight in favor, and I cannot say none of that. But man, we was watching that. That was such a solid. We gotta rewatch the. I gotta go back and rewatch why the fuck I missed that. The coolest thing about recording my sessions or even all this is I can literally, when I go re-edit all of it, I listened to what I was saying, why I was thinking that, and then I pretty much correct myself on the next day. I'm like, okay, that happened yesterday. Remember, we was just, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty cool because in the morning I get to trade and be live, right? And like live, like it's like live action. But then when I go re-edit my video later at the end of the day and I go watch what I was looking at and go actually do a quick like basic recap, you know, that's why, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, it's like every day is pretty cool because I learn something. It's not like I'm just taking a trade, post it. No. I take trades and I have to go recap them. I have to go like see what the fuck that shit was. And also I go edit it, and then I see myself take the trade. I'm like, bro, why did you know what I'm saying? Why you take that trade there, or what happened? You know what I'm saying? Get a sweet, get them hoes. Told your ass before. I pull them on the smoke. Like, what's happening? Bro, I'm so late to the game. This kind of makes me a little sad. I'm not gonna lie, man. We just need $100 to pass. You know, I just realized we're so close to passing. Let's be careful. Let's not make this trade. I forgot. We only need $100 to pass. Should we just scalp this? Let's get that $100 and let's close it. Let's get that $100 here and let's close it. Let me get that $100. Okay, I'm gonna close it here. You want to know why? Because I just need that little $100. All right. The reason why I exited is because not only do I not like my entry, but we're only $100 away. We're only $100 away from getting funded on this account too. I'll take the quick scalp. But at least we're up $200 on the day. It is what it is. Fine. On this funded account or on this evil. Mind you, we have a few evaluation accounts. We already swung a trade last night on one of them. Made over $600. So now here we are on our other funded account. About to pass it, guys. And then we have a 50K account we just bought. We haven't even traded it yet. We're trying to just be careful, play it slow. I'm no longer going to try to go for the pass within like 2 days and try to pass it like hella fast. I'm going to just trade what I see and enter like 1, 2 cons, 3 cons at most, maybe 5 at most. And that's it. But I know, right, bro? That shit's about to hit PT, huh? Let me go look at QQQ. Let's see what Q's doing. Market is kind of cooked, but what happened with Q's? Oh, wow. Well, guys, we still do plan on trading something else, but a little bit not annoyed, but just looking back at this motherfucking boss of a candle here, and how the helly. I don't know. I can't flip right away, but it might be 605 or 607 QQ flip the puts. Oh, okay, yeah. Once it hits up there, yeah, most definitely. I think so. I think once market does hit around there, most definitely. We said Q's. Because honestly, I think SPY, once it gets around here too, I think it's about to reject. The reason why I say that is because on the higher time frame, let me go on the higher time frame. Once it hits this area over here, I mean, I think we're rejecting too. Like how you mentioned, you know, possible puts. I think so too. I think once we climb around here, I think there's a chance where we might just reject this. And so I'll be trading on the 5 minutes. I'll be waiting for it, see what it does. That's the thing, man. I have 2 entry models. I'm sticking right now to waiting for confirmation, but man, my first entry model, which is just enter right away. Oh my God, man. I'm not even gonna say coulda, woulda, shoulda. I'm just gonna say my 2 entry models. One of them is just slapping it right away as support. The other one is waiting for confirmation. Lately, I've been waiting for confirmation and missing out. I can't even lie. The people that I learned trading from they're not influencers, which is pretty dope. They do have a big Instagram page, but there's nobody, no face of it, nobody's necessarily like the face of it. But they're all about education. And one thing is, I love that they taught me to just sit on hands, be patient, don't overtrade. All of that good goods. But here we are, JJ. We're coming up to that level, brother. Let's see what we're going to do here. Again, I have 2 entry models. I'd be pissed, though, if I enter on my first entry model and then the next thing you know. You know what I'm saying? So probably just wait for confirmation. We don't want to risk what we just made today. We're up $200 plus $600 on other evaluation. And then this one's about to be passed here, too. No, felt that, brother. It happens, bro. It happens, brother. I wasn't sure. I wasn't so sure myself on the bounce. And I'm not going to say coulda, woulda, shoulda, but I will say I have 2 entry models. My first entry model is probably something I need to probably be thinking about in this kind of market today. Because we're just ping-ponging. We're literally just ping-ponging. I mean, look at the 1 hour. Like, look at the 1 hour. I've been bullish ever since this day here. Specifically, this is my favorite set of candles that formed here. Because you see him, or buyers try to take control. Sellers took it. Bounced hard. Buyers majorly buy. Buyers majorly buy. Curled back down to buyers taking control. And then you can see we did hit this rejection around this general area. Bounced in between. And then we ultimately sold off. And this is where we start ping-ponging. This is where we start ping-ponging. You can very simply see, and I took shorts here. But look at bounced. Break and retest. Rejection. This is where I started to look at shorts. I'm like, like, even if you look back, you can see it's literally like a breakdown. Like, it's very simply a breakdown. And then I caught that breakdown. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I trade. It's ping-ponging. It's literally like, and then we rejected. And then we broke down here. And then we bounced. And here we are. Are we just very simply going to hit this level and just reject again? Like, that just might be so simple. Ping-ponging. Still got money in the bank. Nice, bro. Yeah, that's a good entry model right there. Still got money in the bank. That is great. So we're climbing hard to that level. And again, I have 2 entry models. One of my favorite entry models is literally entering in. So I have 2 entry models. One of my favorite entry models is literally entering in the moment it's pushing super hard into your level. Reason why is because that gives you the best entry you can get. It's closest to your entry. The stop will be not even that big. But if you wait for what I just did, which is a confirmation candle, like a hammer type or rejection type, like you can see right here, for example, it did bounce. That was the confirmation. It took off without me, and then it pulled back majorly hard. So I was a little bit unsure, but genuinely, like, it gave you some opportunity to enter here. It bounced. It broke back above these most previous highs, and now here we are climbing on up to this potential area of a rejection. So that's how my brain thinks. That's just how simply I see trading. That's how simply I see candles. I'm not the type of person to take longs, and then just because it did have a breakout, I'm thinking it's going to go short. No, I wait for levels to get hit specifically first, and then I see what the reaction is. Should be holding runners right now. No, I felt that, bro. Should be holding runners right now. Seriously. Seriously. So I'm going to see what it does here at this next level. I mean, I don't know. Depending on what it does, I might just slap it. Risk like $50, to be honest. Just to be down. Or not. I keep saying down. See, that's how my brain thinks. My brain is always just thinking about risk. So I'm over here like, oh, I'm going to be down 150. Bro, I'm up 200 right now. I'm over here like, if I lose on this trade, I'll be down. Bro, what? God. Ralito just printed hard. Let me update the vlog session. Bobo. All right, guys. So we're still watching the market. We've been live for an hour and 30 minutes on Twitter and YouTube as well. So it's been great. And I appreciate JJ, Golden Wolf, and anybody else that is in here as well. And literally, Golden Wolf just passed right now, guys. 7:41 a.m. It currently is 7:41 a.m. as we speak. And Golden Wolf just passed, guys. Shout out to Golden Wolf. Pass his funded account. That is what's up, Golden Wolf, man. Great shit, bro. I just saw you posted that you passed, bro. That's what's up, man. So we did take a quick scalp for some longs. Wasn't too certain of how long it will keep going, but guys, we're at least up $207 here, and we're just gonna chill for the moment. But yo, Wolf, I literally just added you into the vlog right now, showing that yes, you freaking passed, bro. Insane, bro. Insane, bro. Wild. So that's what's up, bro. Literally, like, crazy. Literally, as I was popping the camera, you passed, bro. Crazy, crazy. So shout out to Wolf, man. It's crazy. All right, so I just had to update the vlog real quick, but that's literally fire, bro. He literally just passed right now. But anyways, guys, so we're still watching the market here too. We do have about like 15 minutes before we probably will just end up closing charts or seeing what's going on. But look at SPY. SPY is tapping this previous low here, or yesterday's low on the S&P. What is market doing? Market's kind of cooked. Wow. Market's already kind of cooked. And is this the pullback already? Without? Let's check here. It might just be. I didn't even draw out my zone yet. I'm over here using just, but look at this, guys. Let's see if I can grab it. It best not be. It best not be. Wait, where'd that other thing go? Okay, right there. Hold on, guys. I know I'm slacking a little bit right here. I didn't even realize I didn't even have this on. Oh, yeah, I didn't even realize that. Fuck, I should have had that on. Fuck, I should have had that shit on. Yo, what's up, Tim, brother? Tim, brother, bro. I appreciate you joining in here, and I do apologize for what you just mentioned here, man. Yo, next week, brother. Fresh day. Wait for a fresh day. Wait for Sunday, Monday. But so far, man. Let me pray to the trading gods for my brother Tim. Please. Please get my brother. But no, I feel that, Tim. It's definitely not one of the best weeks. It's ping-ponging. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of messing up here. Our execution today is not on point. I gotta admit, today. Even though we're up $200 right now, our execution is not great, guys. Reason why I say that is because I literally missed the bounce here, even though we've been talking about the bounce before the bounce even freaking happened. Then, missed this opportunity of this freaking short because I did not do my homework and grab this low of these wicks here and draw that zone out. That is a nasty, solid-ass entry. Either way, though, is what it is. Next trade. If that thing pops up, though, I'm slapping it. If that shit pops right back up, I'm slapping that hoe. Ooh. But no, I appreciate you guys being in here, bro. Let me record you guys because this is pretty dope. We got 5 people in here live. And we just missed this nasty ass short, bro. Look at this nasty. I'm kind of pissed at myself. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Look at this 1 hour time frame. Like, look at that wick. Nice pullback to that rejection. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of pissed because I really just it's a very simple setup. Very simple. Yo, I appreciate you guys being in this live chat here today. Shout out Tim, shout out JJ, and shout out to Golden Wolf and whoever else is in here, guys. If you do want to be added to the vlog, just know if you do say something now or just say something in general, you will be added, of course, every single time. Especially anybody new that I don't know, you will get the absolute nice treatment for the vlog because we haven't seen anybody new yet. But with that being said, we are still live trading every single day. We've been live for 2 weeks. Super fun, super enjoyable. Trying to show the transparency of what it's like to trade every day. And that's pretty much just it. That's how simple it is, guys. I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. None of that. So let's continue on and let's take you guys along the journey of the day. My bad, guys. Just had to add it into the vlog because again, we're vlogging every single day. We're going live every single day. And we're live on Twitter too, so it's pretty fun. It's first time live on Twitter. Usually Twitter got the most craziest Twitter traders. I cannot wait to meet a Twitter trader in here so they can yell at me, tell me I'm doing everything wrong. I want a Twitter warrior in here. Not to just have a battle, but just I expected a little bit of people to be like, you trading lines? But anyways, guys, we'll probably just end the live here in like 10, 15, 20 minutes. We do have a sales call we'll have to hop on in like 30, 45 minutes. But so far, I mean, execution today is not on point. Missed this trade here and missed that solid rejection. We're not chasing. So, but if there's anything you guys want me to look at, go over, or even, you know, any trade recaps, anything. I mean, look at the whole market, guys. Market's kind of even rejecting this little breakout level. Spies right here at yesterday's lows. Let me delete this. What is that ugliness? But man, Twitter's steaming pile. Twitter's a steaming pile. Bro, yes. Like, genuinely, I know sometimes I can be rude a little bit here and there, but man, I see so much hate on Twitter. It's wild, man. Twitter is wild. Like, I'm trying to, like, I'm just thinking right now. Like, that's why I'm, like, not even saying much. Because it's just, like, just thinking about Twitter, bro. And just how, like, toxic they be. And just in general. I be on Twitter. I be in the replies. I be replying to some people. I be talking. I be chatting it up. I be trying to chat it up with some people. But, man, some people's brains, it's just, I have no idea. If they find out you spent $1,000 or even 10 bands on an evaluation, but paid yourself $100,000, I don't know, they call you a fraud. I'm not saying me. I'm just saying, like, there's a person online named Lanto Trades, somebody else named Brian Stocks. And apparently, I get it. Some of these people could be scammers or whatever, but he showed his brokerage statement or something like that, and he spent like $300,000 on evaluation, something like that. I'm not gonna lie, that's a lot. But he paid himself millions of dollars, like in payouts. And people were hating on him. I'm like, bro, I would love to spend, I don't have that money, but I would love to spend $300,000 to make $1 million. So anyway, some of these people on Twitter just blow my mind. They blow my brain, bro. I'm like, what makes you, what model, and what world is that a bad business model? So anyways, it just blows my brain. So people on Twitter just, that's why I can't wait for somebody on here to try to say something stupid to me. I can't even go on there anymore. But I get pissed when I go on there. No, just joking. Not actually, but that's so funny. Yo, shout out to you, Golden Wolf. I haven't even said anything in the chat, but bro, congrats, dog. Let me add some emojis. Sometimes I know I don't really be too active. Literally, when you guys look at it, you guys see me live right now. But I haven't chatted in the Discord since 7:13. So almost an hour ago. But just know, I'm supporting you guys from the live. I'm over here. Shout out to you, Wolf, adding you to the vlog. Just know, anything that goes on into the session over here in the vlog or in the Discord, I do add it to the vlog. Like, I think the other day, I forgot. Everybody made hella money. I think I was like going through. I was like, bro, everybody printed. Shout out Landry. Shout out Rally. You know. So just know. Just know I support. I'm always here. Seeing all the messages. I'm just speechless. Like, great shit, Wolf. Oh my God. Now you are funded. Now you're literally on the route. Fresh week coming next week. You can literally, bro, you can get paid next week. Of course, no rush to it, but wow. You were literally on that route, bro. That's how I see it. You're there. You were right there, bro. Bro, both ways, bro. That's why I'm pissed. Look at this perfect ping pong, man. I'm pissed. Perfect. Look at this. Perfect double bottom bounce. I don't care what people say. Liquidity sweep. I don't even know at this point. Nice little bounce here at the bottom of this fib. Call it a support. Somebody try to tell me how you know that's a support, bro. We all fucking see it. Anyways, double bottom bounce. Look at the candles. Bow. I'm pissed I missed that shit. And then rejection. Oh, how do you know this is a resistance? Somebody told me. How do you know this is a resistance? Bro, just fucking look at the goddamn candles. We can all see it. It don't matter what you want to call it. Liquidity sweep, order block, don't give a damn. It's goddamn rejection. Every time I hit the general area, it either rejects or bounces. I don't know, motherfucker. Anyways, bounce. Bounce. And break below to a pullback retest. Oh, how do you know it's going to be a pullback retest? I don't, motherfucker. We just trade that shit. That's all I know. Anyways, that's my little rant today. I have a lot of sometimes little rants here and there that I just be, because sometimes these Twitter traders that be overcomplicating it and talking about wait for this to hit that low, bro, just kill me. I would hate to trade like that. Just kill me. Anyways, I have a lot of like things built up from trading for the past 5 years that now I'm on live. I'm ready to talk my shit. And I can't wait to get popular, because once I get popular, I'm going to get canceled 1,000 times, because I say the most wildest shit in the world, and I will not hold back, because I don't give a damn. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. Somebody want to cry about it? Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. Yeah. Yeah, you see that. Just slap it, bro. Yeah, come on. Just slap it. I'll hop on live with some other trader eventually. And I'm just going to slap him. Boom. How you know that's happening? I don't know. Anyways, guys, it was hella fun being here. Hope you guys had an awesome ass day. And it's Friday, guys. So, it's the weekend. I hope you guys are going to enjoy yourself this weekend. I'm going to try not to do the same shit I do every weekend. That's what I'm going to work on this weekend. I'm going to try not to do the same shit I do every weekend. I'm just thinking about it. I gotta stop getting thought here and now. I'm like, just get quiet. And I'm just like, gotta work hard. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have an awesome ass day. We're probably gonna end it here in like next few minutes. So just a chill moment in here. Should we slap this long? Nah, it's kind of scary. Look at that 1 hour. Let's see what the 30 is doing. I don't know, guys. Should we slap that long? Nah, it's kind of scary. I mean, it looks like it could be fun. Just the 1 hour. It's like, what are you doing? I don't know. How much am I up? Bro. Alright, this is how my brain thinks. I'm up 207. I'm gonna risk $57. Worst case scenario, I'll make 150. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. You know what I'm saying? That's how simple it is. That's how simple I keep it. You see how most people are like, wait for this EMA to cross over this and do this and do that. Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Give me a goddamn hammer candle. I'll slap the fuck out of you. Give me a goddamn hammer candle. I'll slap the fuck out of you and prove you don't need all that little stupid ass. Give me a little invert. Shut the fuck up. I'll make this shit right in front of your face. Bring me one of them inverse fair value gap traders right now. Bring me one of them little ICT traders right now to this. I'll hop them on. I'll slap the fuck out of them right now. Give me that shit. Matter of fact, give me that quick scalp. Give me that shit right now in my hands like I'm Thanos. I need it. Why do I need it? Because we're about to get paid. We're about to get funded here. $1 more $100. Anyways, guys, that's how simple I keep it. Look, I could throw on some EMAs. I can guarantee you there's probably an EMA right here. You guys want to check? Let's throw on an EMA. Let's throw on an EMA. Do we really need an EMA? We don't need an EMA, but let's throw on an EMA, guys. Let's throw on the EMA. I can't even, look, I can't even, bro. Let me get that stupid ass shit off my chart. Hold on, though. I want to throw on a little 20 pack. Fuck in everybody. Fucking everybody. No, right? Okay, look at these EMA. Give me these stupid ass chart. Get that stupid ass shit off my chart. Anyways, we slapped the most fire-ish little pullback here. How did I know it was gonna bounce? Bro, we don't. That's the beauty of it. We don't know it's finna bounce. But how did I catch that little quick bounce? Well, let me quickly break it down. New York City session open. Bounce. Pullback here. I'm so pissed at myself I didn't answer. That's a nasty pullback. Bounce. Rejection. Pullback. Okay, how do you know this is gonna be a long? I mean, I don't, but look at this. Like, that's how simple I keep it. That's what I just traded right now. Some people want to be like, wait for this inverse fair value gap. I don't know. Some of these people be blowing my brain. Anyways, very simple price action reading. I mean, like that's a ping pong. That's a ping pong. Anyways, guys, trading is so fun. You're right, bro. It's all levels. I'm reading what you're saying too. QQ boner, fucking everybody, bro. It is fucking everybody. Pretty sure people are probably getting wrecked too sometimes. But look at this. Look, this is how my brain thinks. I'm not gonna do it because look at that long way to the downside here. That's buyers. But bro, we could stop a fucking short here and risk what? We could risk what? How much am I up? 270? I could risk 50 and still be up 220. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. That's how my brain thinks. You know what a lot of people do though? Is they'll take that trade that I'm just talking about right now and they'll lose the whole balance. That shit, that's what also blows my brain too. That's what also blows my brain. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you guys every single day how we trade. You guys see how simple I just scalped two very simple little bad boys, turned my account up an extra 100 bundles. I'm not the best trader I'll never claim to be, but I love keeping it simple. Deuce talk about how you want to keep it super simple. Bro, come join this side over here. Come hop on the lives over here. You'll see how simple we keep it. But anyways, guys, this is fun. This is fun. Gonna end it here. Like I said a few minutes ago. God, what the fuck? Printers are printing. Okay, but look at the market though. Bulls might want to come on in for a little bit more. I mean, look at that long wick. Bulls are stepping on in pretty strongly. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But anyways, we're gonna end the stream here. It was hella fun. We're not gonna take any more trades, and I promise you, we're not gonna take any more trades. You want to know how we're not gonna take any more trades? We just hit lockout. Look at that. Not allowed to trade. Not allowed to trade no more unless I hop on my 50K. But we ain't doing that. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an awesome ass day. Shout out to you, JJ, for literally attending, bro. You always supporting. And look, I get it. I'm a little bit boring. I'm not even gonna lie, bro, because I don't trade 1,000 trades, but we still trade, and we're still gonna capture trades. Either way, like it don't even matter if it takes an hour for me to trade. I'm gonna capture a trade. So, anyways, bro, appreciate you being in here. Appreciate anybody else that's still in here. And literally, let's get chatting in the Discord, man. I'm gonna hop in the Discord, getting chatting with the gang over here. What did JJ just post? What is this lady with the big bitties? Oh my. JJ just busted us in the chat. Anyways, guys, you guys have a great rest of your guys' day. I'll catch you.